Hi, welcome to Nona's Here. I'm Nona, and today I have the spring Walmart beauty box. I also have some things from the Korres subscription. It was the Christmas calendar box that I ordered at Christmas time, and I've used all of those products, and I put aside some of my favorites to show you what were my favorites from that calendar box that I ordered at Christmas time. But let's look at the Walmart beauty box first. So you open it up and it looks like this, and it says the theme for spring is Spring Beauty in Bloom. Now this costs $8.98. It comes out quarterly, and you usually get 6 to 7 products. And for me, I always get a full-size product. And inside this little brochure are the things that you get or may get, all right? You fill out a profile, and then they supposedly send you things that are on your profile. So let's look and see what I got. First thing here is a little, the 6 to 7 products are usually deluxe sample or just mini samples, okay? So this is the Gold Bond Age Renewal Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion, and it's just a mini sample. Full size, all these things you can buy at Walmart. Full size is $11.97 for 1.17 ounces, and this is just 0.75 ounces, okay? So it's just a mini size. That's fine. The next thing is these Kiss Core Color Jubilee press-on nails. Well, I like press-on nails. Full size is $8.97. This is funny, for 28 pieces, but I got a package for 32 ounces, for 32 nails. All right, so this is full size. I got 32 nails. It says you get 28 pieces, $8.97. So there's my $8.98 back for my box. Okay, the next thing is La Roche-Posay for normal to oily skin, purifying foaming rinse. Well, La Roche-Posay is a good brand. It's just a mini sample. $19.97 for 13.52 fluid ounces. A gentle daily cleanser for normal to oily, sensitive skin from the brand trusted by over 100,000 dermatologists worldwide. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. It's enough to try it. I'll be happy to try it. Just a mini sample, okay? Next thing is a Kiss Nail File Buff and Shape, 1 piece by Kiss. Look, new look, more nails, better. That's what it says, by Kiss. Same as the press-on nails. Then I got this, and this isn't even listed. Oh, yes, it is. Hask Soothe and Tea Tree Oil Scalp Care Shampoo and Conditioner. I hate these little things. There you go. But it's something to try anyway. Full size $7.97 for 16 fluid ounces. This is just a mini try. 0.35 fluid ounces. And you get the shampoo and the conditioner. All right. So it's good to take along if you're traveling. All right, then the next thing is Origin Sahara Mystery Oud de Perfume, full size $19.97 for 6.05 fluid ounces. There we go. We just get a little tiny mini sample. Pretty package. Origin, by Origin. Comes in a little spray doohickey. I won't put this in my purse because you could accidentally push it off. See what we think. It says it is Journey to the Sahara. Notes of modern oud. I don't know what oud is, O-U-D. Vanilla and saffron meet sweetened smoke swirls like magic. I like it. I smell the vanilla. I think it's kind of spicy. I like spicy. I like it. All right, I'll put that on my dresser to spray myself every once in a while with it. That's nice. Okay, and then finally, this Guru Nada Premium Whitening Strips. Safe and effective whitening. Gradually whitens teeth with each use. No mess dry strip technology with natural coconut. 14 strips, 10 professional and 4 express, 1 shade guide. All right, there's this. You get 14 strips, full size, $10.47, 14 piece. So this is another full size. So $10.47, full size. So this is $10.47 full size. And my nails are full size, 32 pieces, $8.97. Boy, that's a good box. This gets a 5 out of 5. You use these strips once a day for 30 to 45 minutes for the professional, and the express use once a day for 60 minutes because it's got higher hydrogen peroxide strength for our professional strips, and it shows you on the back how to do it. You just peel them off and put them on your teeth. Wow, that's good. All right, so 2 full sizes in this box, plus the buffing, what's it called? Buff nail file, the gold bond, the little perfume thing, shampoo and conditioner for scalp treatment, and the La Roche-Posay foaming cleanser. Hey, that's a 5 out of 5. That's a 6 out of 5. As far as I'm concerned, that's pretty good. And then you can shop full sizes and get ingredient information there. And you can leave there goes my thing. Leave a review there. And then usually, let me see. Usually you get some kind of coupon, but I don't think there's a coupon in this one. But still, that's a great box. All right, so at Christmas time, I ordered a couple of the calendars to show. And one of the ones I ordered was Korres, Korres. And it's a skincare company out of Greece. And they use a lot of all natural things that are grown in Greece. And there were some things that I absolutely love. So what I did was I put all the Korres products in this little box beside my sink. And I used the products so I could see, what they were and whether I liked them. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I really liked. And one of the things that I really liked, and I only kept the conditioner bottle, but I really liked their shampoo and conditioner. And it had, conditioner aloe, and I'm reading all the things it had, but a lot of the things are made with clear formula. Anyway, I really liked the shampoo and conditioner. That's one thing I really liked. Another favorite of mine was the Olive Stones scrub. And you can see I even cut off the top so I could get every single thing out. I have one of those little spatulas that I get in and I get everything out. I highly recommend if you ever see their olive scrub. It's really, really good. It's a creamy exfoliator, rich in olive kernel beads for deep cleansing. Apply to wet, cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. Massage gently and rinse off thoroughly. Use 1 to 2 weeks or as often as needed. Highly recommend that. I really like that. Another thing I liked was their Volcanic Skin Reset Mask. I like their mask. And this one had clay in it and pore detox and clarify. Really liked it. Everything's in Greek, but then they also put it in English in the back. Another thing that I liked was their probiotic super dose face mask. And for this one, they used Greek yogurt. They use a lot of Greek yogurt in their products, and I liked it. Also, I liked their Plump Up Sleeping Facial. I like their facials. All right. Another thing that I really liked was their Wide Awake Eye Gel. And this one also had Greek yogurt. And I used it all up. But it has a little roller ball under it, so you could really get underneath your eyes. All right. I really like this one, the under eye gel. And it has the Greek yogurt in it, and caffeine. Really like that one. Okay, another one I liked, and I reordered because I got a whole bunch of points because I ordered the big order of the Christmas calendar. And this is the Wrinkle Define Day Cream. And out of my points, I ordered this again. And I can't say that it, did anything special for my wrinkles, but I liked it. All right. Another thing that I liked was this Korres eye mask with cucumber, anti-fatigue. Just a little bottle, but I liked it. It's an eye mask. And another thing that I liked, and I really used this one up, the Night Brightening Sleeping Facial that I used at night. And you can see I cut it off so that I could get every single drop out of it. And this, I also ordered their Foaming Cream Facial Cleanser. And it's made with the Greek yogurt, probiotics, cleanse and nourish. And it's a big tube, and it's what I used my points for to order. Or did I get this on FabFitFun? I might have gotten this on FabFitFun the last time because it was in one of the categories. And I liked it, so I took it as my pick. Now I can't remember. I might have got it on FabFitFun. Then this is I got a serum. And this is the Greek yogurt serum, and it's all gone, almost all gone. I used it up. I liked it. And then this one I ordered using my points, and this is the one that uses black pine. That's another thing that they use is black pine, and this is a serum, and you can see I've used almost all of it up, and I really liked it. So I would say that the Korres skincare is really nice. I really like it. So if you ever see the Korres, Korres skincare available, and sometimes FabFitFun does have it as some of their skincare on FabFitFun. And sometimes you can even get it in subscription boxes. Try it. I think you'll enjoy it. I have enjoyed it very, very much. And I'm glad that I got it as a calendar, one of my calendars for Christmas, because it was something I'd never heard of before, had never tried before, but I've really enjoyed using the skincare products from Korres. Okay, that's it for me today. Tell me what your favorite thing was in my Walmart beauty box, okay? There were a lot of good things in there. Tell me which was your favorite. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that red button, subscribe, it's free. Don't forget to hit the all button because I do lots of videos, all different kinds of videos. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And I hope to see you again very soon at Known as Here. Bye.